Hello everyone. First of all, thank you very much for your overwhelming support for many years. Through this platform, I'm going to bring lots of Ayurveda health videos. This video is going to help you how to live Ayurveda lifestyle rather than having a quick fix to a problem. I have received so many emails in last couple of weeks asking about why Asian, Black and ethnic minorities are getting COVID infection more than anybody else. Is the answer stays in your genes or there is something else? As you know, Ayurveda believes in a complete health, physical, mental, emotional and spiritual, and the most important thing Ayurveda speaks about is diet. Why Asian communities are getting more COVID infection? For that, we need to understand the whole body pathology. First of all, our diet is mainly carbohydrate based. In our community, in Asian community, we have more underlying conditions than anybody else. Carbohydrates being the main part of our meal causes a lot of inflammation in the body. It means it suppresses your immune system. If you think our breakfast, our lunch and our dinner is mainly carbs. And these carbs are in any form. It can be a white rice, white potato, sugar, breads, chapati, naan, paratha. So basically, our meals are dominated by the carbohydrates. When you eat lots of carbohydrates, it causes the inflammation. Inflammation caused by the cytokines, which is the small molecules causing the inflammation in the system. When body is internally inflamed, our immune system is being suppressed. I'm sure you have noticed after eating carbs, either you feel sleepy, tired, bloated, or sometimes extremely heavy headaches. This is the reason we need to cut down our carbs. Eating too many carbs are not helping our immune system to fight to any other infections. Remember, there are two different kinds of immunities, adaptive immunity and acquired immunity. Adaptive immunity always looking for bacteria, viral and fungus in the system and try to fight it out, and acquired immunity is always fighting towards assault from the outside. Now, because COVID itself is a new infection, our body is not ready for it. It hasn't produced enough antigens to fight towards it. And that's why if you have underlying condition, if your body is inflamed, sometimes it can't fight to this infection. So if we clean our diet, if we cut down the carbs or eat healthy carbs, but increase protein, vegetables, and good fat, it will help a lot. Second thing is laziness, lack of exercise. If you do not exercise, if you do not work it out, your circulation becomes very weak. Your internal organs becomes very tired, exhausted. That's why the combination of three things, a good and clean diet, enough water intake, and good amount of exercise helps a lot. So make sure if your parents or your family members have any kind of underlying conditions, you are at very high risk of getting that. Start working from now, change your diet, bring down your carbs to a minimum level or try to avoid it at least for one meal. Eat more protein, veg and good fats. That will help to recover your immune system. If your immune system is powerful, I don't think any infection can affect you. In my next video, I'm going to bring it 10 questions. These 10 questions, I'm going to ask you to find out how healthy you are. So be ready with the pen and paper. Write down all the questions, and if any of the questions answer is yes, it means you need help. You need help, you need Ayurveda, and Ayurveda can help you, fix you in a natural way. Thank you very much for listening to me. See you in the next video.